Okay, so day 13 of the rule of 100s. Thinking fast and slow. So yeah, today I didn't really read that much because I'm busy, but I can't make this. I have to stop making these excuses and I have to just fucking do it. But yeah, so I guess I gotta punish myself now. So tomorrow I gotta read 130 minutes because I only read 1 hour today. So yeah, another 40 minutes, so 140 minutes. But yeah, I should think of a punishment if I don't if I miss one of those days. But yeah, because I hate making excuses, but sometimes life gets in the way. Yeah, stop making excuses, man. Yeah, but whatever. Yeah. So the lazy controller, system 1, system 2. Like I said in the previous video, system 1 is basically the brain that's responsible for your automatic decisions. So let's say 2 plus 2, okay, 4. Immediately it's in your brain. It's automatic. You don't have to think about it. 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. You already know. You don't even have to think. It's automatic. So system 2 is the brain where it requires more effort. You have to actually think about the answer. Like let's say 22 times 72. You have to think. You have to you have to analyze. You have to do the maths. Unless you're a math genius, then maybe it's different. But yeah, you have to actually put some effort into your brain to come up with a solution. So yeah, that's the brain. That's the system 1 and system 2 thinking. So basically, I'm on chapter 3 and it talk about system 1 and system 2 and how system 2 influences the system 1 thinking. It can influence it a lot sometimes. Like for example, there's this one experiment about the bat and a bat and a ball. So I don't know if I think some of you guys have heard this experiment before, but basically it's just like, okay, a bat and a ball cost $1.10. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? Now immediately you would think, okay, the bat costs $1 more than the ball. A bat and ball cost $1.10. Okay, so the bat would probably be $1.10, and the ball would the ball would be $1, and the bat would be $1, and the ball would be 10 cents. So they add up together to be $1.10. But the true answer is, because the bat costs $1 more than the ball, so the ball is 10 cents. So it plus 1 is the $1.10. So the total should be $1.20. But it said a bat and a ball cost $1.10, which means the true answer is the ball costs 5 cents. So $1 plus 5 cents equals $1.05, and plus up together they become $1.10. But immediately you think, oh, it's the ball costs 10 cents because it's intuitive thinking. It's like your system 1 it's trying to trick you. But yeah, it's interesting to know that how your system 1 thinking can mislead you to the wrong answer. So that's why you have your system 2 to think about the correct solution and actually analyze the hypothesis that your system 1 is making and see whether it's actually correct or not. Like system 1 is basically, he's also responsible when you drive a car and you're trying to make a reflex action. It's all system 1. It's only after you crash the car, or maybe you fucked up on the car, then that your system 2 takes over and says, yeah, you fucked up, bro, you're dumb, why did you drive so fast, something like that. But yeah, that's from what I understand, so it could be wrong, but yeah. But this book is really hard to read, I won't lie. It's maybe my English just sucks, but yeah, but it will get better, don't worry, it'll get better. But yeah, it also talked about being in the flow state, where system 2, I guess, something involved in that. I don't really understand that yet, but I will definitely apply it when when I study back the book in the next 100 days, when I spend 100 minutes applying everything I learned from these books. So yeah, it'll be fun. But today is just a showing up type of day. Didn't really understand the book that much, but I'll just keep reading it. It doesn't matter as long as you show up every single day. Just keep going. You cannot lose if you do not quit. So just don't stop and just keep showing up every single day. Ciao.